we got light snowfall at King Vale. Light snowfall, King Vale. Taking it easy. Easy. Okay, just got off Soda Springs. Still light snow, quite a bit of snow on the ground though. Not as plowed as the highway, so we're gonna go ahead and lock them in. Okay, so we're up here, Donner Pass. We got a little bit of snow going on at the lookout. We got the MSR Dragonfly going. I've been messing with it for the last 20 minutes, and I kept losing pressure. Well, bad pump. And this is actually my replacement pump that I had with me in my bag. So it just goes to show you that you gotta have backups. And when you got some fresh snow, put that on there, and we'll see how long that takes to melt. In good, normally what you do is put a little water in there. We don't have any water. So I came up here, got really thirsty, so I'm trying to melt a little bit of snow here and get something to drink, and then have some organic kidney beans. So nice storm, first nice storm of the year up here, Donner Pass. Not bad. Here we go. Now you can see I'm going to bring this up to the boil for a minute. You can see that snow has melted down pretty not as much water as you thought you were going to get out of there. And we'll bring that up to the boil for a minute. We'll have us some hot water and some beans. Nice little storm here. Okay, checking the pulse ox here. We're about 7,000 feet. I mean, closer to 8, I guess. Interestingly enough, I'm 93%. Oh, 94. Coming up a little bit. 94%. I don't know if you can see that. Heart rate 87. 88. 94% here at altitude. About 7,000 to 8,000 feet right here. Water's coming up to a boil. We have not reached the boiling point yet. Getting hungry and thirsty. Got some storm coming there. What a great day. What a great day for California, November 1st. Okay, I've achieved a rolling boil, a nice rolling boil. That water will be ready to drink in a minute. And take another look at your first storm of 2014. Okay, we got some hot beans, hot water. Mighty fine living in the outdoors. Mighty fine living. Hot water. All right. Tastes alpine. Setting free. I would highly recommend the Dutch Flat 76. They have everything that you need, including fried foods. I'm not eating it. Picked up a coffee at the Dutch Flat 76. The liquor selection is unprecedented.